So if you want to master data structures or anything in general, it's very important to set goals. One more important skill that people usually forget is time management. So you should always follow a structured approach. And by structure, I mean start with basic data structures. Now the final stage is how to practice DSA before interviews. Hey everyone, my name is Sanchi Bisht and I'm a final year CSE student. I've also served as a software engineer intern at Google, and today I'm going to discuss with you a very popular topic, which is how to practice data structures and algorithms. So we'll be discussing the complete roadmap from practicing DSA to mastering it for the interviews. So if you want to master data structures or anything in general, it's very important to set goals, because setting goals will motivate you and help you to keep track of your progress. For example, you can set goals like मुझे daily X number of questions solve करने हैं, no matter what. And start with small goals, because if you start aiming 10-20 questions from beginning, then you'll get overwhelmed. So it's better to take tiny steps and then eventually increase your progress. So now the question is how to start practicing. So you should always follow a structured approach. And by structure, I mean start with basic data structures like array, string, linked list, tag and queues, and then move on to more advanced topics like dynamic programming and graph. For example, you want to practice tree. Then you cannot learn or master tree without having the knowledge of linked list and recursion. Same with dynamic programming. If you want to master dynamic programming, it's important to have strong base in recursion and backtracking. Suppose तुमने dynamic programming practice करना start कर दिया and तुम्हारे recursion के concepts weak है, then after a certain point, you'll have to switch back to recursion to revise the concepts. And this will waste your time as well as energy. So it's very important to draw a proper structure and then follow it. अगर तुम किसी रीज़न के कारण एक प्रॉपर स्ट्रक्चर फॉलो नहीं कर पा रहे हो या फिगर आउट नहीं कर पा रहे हो, then you might consider taking a course or reading articles or maybe follow a playlist. So this might help you to draw a proper structure and follow it. So suppose तुमने एक proper structure बना लिया है and now you have picked up a particular data structure that you want to master or practice. So while practicing data structure, you should always start with implementation, because implementation is very important. For example, अगर तुमने stack उठाया है तो तुम्हें उसके सारे possible ways of implementation आने चाहिए. For example, how to implement stack using linked list or using arrays or using queues. So many companies ask questions based entirely on implementation. So it's very important that you are well aware of all the variations. So after you are done with all the implementation based questions, then you can switch to application based questions. And while choosing questions, make sure that you are covering a large variety or pattern of questions, because quality is more important than quantity. So suppose तुमने decide किया है कि तुम्हें 20 questions करने हैं, then keep the distribution as 5 easy level, 10 medium level and finally 5 hard level questions, because in this way you will be able to cover questions from all difficulty levels. So let's discuss how to proceed with a question while practicing. So many coding questions are very long, so do read them 2-3 times to get more clarity about the question, and do analyze the constraints given, because constraints से you can figure out कि expected time complexity क्या होनी चाहिए solution की. For example, if the constraints are very small, then you can solve the question in n square also. But on the other hand, if the constraints are very large, then it become quite obvious कि तुम्हें linear time complexity में वो question solve करना है या log and time complexity में करना है. सो ये तुम्हारे कोडिंग राउंड्स में काफ़ी हेल्प करती है. सो डू एनालाइज कॉन्स्टेंट्स ऑल्सो. सो आफ्टर दिस ड्राई रन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ड्राई रन योर अप्रोच ऑन फ्यू टेस्ट केसेस, बिकॉज ड्राई रन करने से तुम्हें अप्रोच में क्लैरिटी बढ़ती है एंड यू आर एबल टू फिगर आउट कि कौन से एज केसेस मिस हो रहे हैं या टेस्ट केसेस फेल हो रहे हैं. सो डू ड्राई रन योर अप्रोच ऑन फ्यू टेस्ट केसेस बिफोर कोडिंग द solution. Once you are done with the solution, analyze both time and space complexity. Because in an interview, anyway, you have to discuss both the time complexity and space complexity with the interviewer. So पहले से ही प्रैक्टिस करते हुए हैबिट डाल लो कि तुम्हें एनालाइज करनी है ताकि एंड में डिफ़िकल्टी ना हो. One more important skill that people usually forget is time management. We are usually expected to solve 2 questions in 45 minutes or 1 hour during the interviews. So प्रैक्टिस करते समय ट्रैक रखा करो टाइम का कि तुम्हें एक पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में कितना टाइम लग रहा है. There are platforms which keep track of your time like Interview Bit. So you can try out those platforms also and keep giving contests because it improves your time management skills a lot. So you can give contests on platforms like Code Forces, Code Chef, Lead Code, and any other platform of your choice. So what if you are stuck with a question while practicing? Suppose तुमने question में काफ़ी टाइम लगा दिया है and you are still not able to solve it. Then you should switch to a new question and come back after few hours or days. Because हमें अपना दिमाग exhaust नहीं करना है and we want to use our time efficiently. So after few hours or days come back to the question and try it again. अगर वो question फिर भी नहीं हो रहा है then you may refer to the hints and फिर again try करो. अगर even after spending a considerable amount of time or days you are still not able to solve the question, then you can go through the solution. After reading the solution, try run the approach yourself and then implement it. And there are high chances that you might get stuck with the same question again in the future. So I'll suggest कि उस question को bookmark कर लो, revisit it after 10-20 days and then try to implement it again. So this will help you to revise and revisit the concepts again. So there are few platforms that offers company-wise questions like Lead Code, Code Studio and GFG. लीड कोड में कंपनी वाइज वाला फिल्टर पेड होता है. सो इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू सॉल्व कंपनी वाइज क्वेश्चंस, आई विल सजेस्ट टू ट्राई कोड स्टूडियो और यू कैन इवन ट्राई GFG. इफ़ यू वांट टू वर्क ऑन योर टाइम मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स, आई विल सजेस्ट इंटरव्यू बिट एज इट कीप ट्रैक्स ऑफ योर टाइम. लाइक तुमने एक पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन कितने टाइम पे किया, इसका तुम रिकॉर्ड देख सकते हो इन इंटरव्यू बिट. सो इन दैट सिनेरियो आई विल सजेस्ट इंटरव्यू बिट. If you want to explore competitive programming, then I'll suggest Code Forces or Code Chef. You can give contests on these platforms which will improve both your coding skills as well as your time management skills. Now the final stage is how to practice DSA before interviews. So interviews से पहले ज़्यादा टाइम मिलता नहीं है, so it's better to practice DSA smartly. And by smartly I mean practice questions company wise. तो जिस कंपनी का भी इंटरव्यू हो उसके क्वेश्चन उठा लो कंपनी वाइज एंड देन प्रैक्टिस देम. अगर टाइम ज़्यादा नहीं है तो फिर तुम एक गो थ्रू कर लो क्वेश्चन से, ओवरव्यू ले लो, जितने भी क्वेश्चंस का ले सकते हो. यू कैन ऑल्सो रीड रीसेंट इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंसेस और उसमें जो भी क्वेश्चंस गिवन हो उनको एक बार खुद से डिस्कस करके देख लो. अगर क्वेश्चन काफ़ी अच्छा है या ट्रिकी है देन यू शुड कोड इट ऑल्सो. आफ्टर दिस हर कंपनी के कुछ ना कुछ फेवरेट डेटा स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं, सो फोकस मोर ऑन दोज डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स while practicing. So with this we are going to wrap up our discussion. I hope this was helpful and all the best.